In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your Upstream O2 sensor on your Chevy Colorado. It's located on the passenger side under the hood. Remove this blue tab, and that's a little lock that holds the connector on. After you do that, you're going to pick up on this and pull the connector off. Unplug it, set it aside. Just get it out of your way. We're going to remove the sensor from here using a trim tool. Put your trim tool in and carefully pry it out like so. And now we're going to use an O2 sensor socket to remove the O2 sensor. So we have our socket on our O2 sensor. I'm going to use a breaker bar. And then the best way to loosen an O2 sensor is to give it a quick jolt. And usually they pop loose. After you crack it loose, you can usually take it out by hand. Remove it. So we're going to install our O2 sensor. I like to tape my wire up to itself so it's easier to install. Usually use painter's tape. I'm going to thread this in by hand. Once you got it snug, you're going to use your socket and tighten it down. You can get a torque wrench in there, torque it to 31 foot-pounds. Remove your socket and tape, and now we're going to plug in our connector. Plug your connector in, and now you're going to put this in the hole, push down, and put your lock in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.